to solve this problem in Davinci Resolve version 20 or later. So 2 of my clips were moved on the hard drive and now the program cannot find them. It's showing this offline message. So to fix this problem, right click on any of those files, the video files which display this message, and find in media pool. Alt F is the hotkey. After that, these are the video files, both of them, so select both of those clips. Now right click on one of those, clip operations, relink selected clips, so clip operations relink. Okay, and select the files. Now let's see, where are my files? In the lower right corner. They are here in this folder. Yes, they are there. So select them, they are on the desktop in that folder, double click on them. The videos are not shown here, but the name of the folder is shown. So select folder, and now, yes, now they are back. So this clip is not showing the message and it's not red, and the next clip is also usable, it's not showing the message. So that's how to relink the missing clips inside the newer versions of Davinci Resolve.